Hey Lauren, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And you guys have a good looking site. And I super like this logo. I recommend having some more of these call to actions throughout, either with these forms or a click to call. That helps with your conversion. And the other thing that I'd recommend is having some more content on this homepage. And the reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all the websites, going through this content, and they are looking for keywords embedded in this content. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage, and then you do want those keywords embedded within them. And so here is an example of a keyword, San Antonio Foundation Repair. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up are these ads. And I see you guys right here. And if we scroll past those ads, the next thing here is the Google Business Profile. And you want to be ranking here because 30 to 40% of the business goes into this section here. And a lot of people won't click on this more businesses here. So you want to be in the top 3. And the way that you can do that is to have your Google Business Profile having more citations, reviews, and photos than these other businesses. And what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And if we scroll down, so this is the organic listing, and so this is where your website would be ranking. And so you want to be at the top of this homepage. The rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes here, and the majority of it stays in the top 3. And let me see if I see you all. I'm not seeing you here on that first page besides that ad. And 90% of people stay on this first page. All right, so let's take a look at this top ranking business here. It is the SA Foundation. Okay, so I have their website pulled up here. And so they did a good job with these call to actions as well. I would add a few more. Something that I would recommend for them as well would be the content. So it would be really easy for you to outrank them with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of their website. So I have some ratings here. I plugged in their URL into Ahrefs. And so UR and DR is just the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And what makes up these ratings here, it is pulled from the Google data. And so backlinks are what make up these ratings. And so they have 283 backlinks coming from 76 referring domains. Something to note is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure that you are getting good quality backlinks. Some spammy ones can bring these numbers down, so we don't want to harm these numbers here for you. And they also have 304 organic keywords on their website. So let's take a look at yours. I have yours plugged in to Ahrefs here. The trustworthiness and the authority, 13 and 0.3, coming from 83 backlinks from 19 domains and 64 keywords on your website. And so I would recommend getting some more good quality backlinks and then adding more of the keywords of the services that you provide so that Google knows to connect you to those people when they search it. And one way to get more good quality backlinks to your site is called the copycat method. And so you would just go into their website here and then get all the good quality backlinks linked to your website as well. If it's working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords that they're ranking for. So they have these keywords on their website, and their website is ranking. So some of their traffic is coming from these keywords here. Concrete contractor Houston, 450 people are searching this every month. 450, 500, 300, 400. So there are a ton of people searching for what you all provide every single month. And so I would recommend focusing on your Google business profile, getting more citations there so that you're ranking, and then also getting your website some more good quality backlinks so that it's ranking, but also making sure that these keywords are on that website so that you do get connected when people do search that. And so if you ever need any help with any of this, we'd be more than happy to help you, and thank you for your time.